this morning we're having a little lesson with Angela, my daughter. After all these years, she wants to know how to make ackee and codfish, one of Jamaica's favorite dish. Okay, now we're going to prepare the codfish. If you haven't bought the skinless, boneless codfish, you got to take the skin off. Most of the time it comes out quite easily. Now we're going to start with the codfish. We're going to put it in a saucepan with boiling water, and we'll change that water 3 times, boiling it, bringing it to a boil each time. Here's the ackee, the can or tin ackee, whichever you relate to, draining in the colander. When I was growing up, we used to use a salted pork, and we would cut it in small pieces. Bacon was too precious to do that. So now I use the bacon, chop it in small pieces, and start it in the frying pan. That the bacon is all crispy, we remove it from the pan, and we're going to chop the onion and the tomato. A lot of people use scallion or green onion, as they call it. Okay, now we've got the tomato and the onion all chopped, ready for the frying pan. This seems to be quite a bit, so I'll just put in what I think we need.
So now you're just taking the bones out of the codfish?
Any bones that I can find, and break it up a little bit, not too much. The fish should taste a little salty because that's what it's all about. It's salty. Now I've added a little oil because it looked as if it needed some more oil. So when we put the codfish and the ackee in.
So you added about a tablespoon?
Yeah, or 2. Okay, now is the time to put the codfish and the bacon and the ackee and stir them all in and leave them to simmer for just a little bit. And now I sprinkle some black pepper over this. Now the ackee is in there, so you just gently hold it because you don't want it to become all mushy. Okay, so here's the finished product. That beautiful ackee and saltfish.
It's lovely.
Lovely.
It's nice to have you back around.